right, so next up, we're going to bring Jeff back for something that we have not yet tried in our online streaming Zoom improv shows. I say that like there are so many things that we tried. This is like the fourth or fifth online show that we've done. Everything's new every single time. We're going to try something a little bit crazy. We're going to try audience sound effects. We're going to start with Dorian and Mallory in this scene. They are going to just basically, they're going to be doing a scene, Jeff, and your job is to provide as best you can all of the sound effects for the things that they are doing in this scene, right? So like, for example, if they were in the other scene and they were like, oh, I'm going to open this jar, it would sound like, yeah, that's exactly what jars sound like. Great. Yeah. I could tell this is going to be perfect.
It's one of three sounds I can make, so here we go.
We're going to get a suggestion for your scene from the chat from dear friend of the show, Valerie. And her suggestion is tater tots. That's your suggestion. And then right underneath it, warehouse. So tater tot warehouse. That's your suggestion for this scene. This is a game of audience sound effects. Begin.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, but my neck.
Oh, that sounds tight.
I haven't had a massage in so long, and I just miss being fluffy on the inside. I miss it deeply.
Janice, I'm glad that you decided to meet me for this date because it's really important to me. So I'm just gonna pull your chair out so you can sit down here.
I've never been treated so well by such a gentleman. I'll just
but also, did you notice that chair? Listen.
It's a very good chair.
Yeah. Solid pine. That's how you know it's good pine.
What about this table? Is it also solid pine? Yeah, that sounds like solid pine to me, as much as I know about wood.
Listen, Janice, there's a reason why I got this solid pine table for you.
Stephen, tell me.
To be here today. All right?
Yeah.
I want you to take over. Sorry, I'm really nervous. Sorry.
You all are.
I want you to take over the business.
Dun, dun, dun.
The business?
Yeah, I want you to take over the business. And I brought this bottle of champagne.
Clunk.
I'm going to open it now.
Even your... just open it.
No, it's really hard. It's really hard.
Well, sure. Let me open that for you.
Yeah.
Monsieur, I will be right back with another one. Merci.
Thank you.
Stephen, you are sopping wet. And here, take this towel.
All right.
Big news. I don't know. I was prepared for a lovely date by the candlelight in a French restaurant. I wasn't prepared to take on business dealings. I've barely even used the checkbook. Look, here's my checkbook that I will flip through right now. Very large and could be...
Monsieur?
Yeah.
We're out of champagne, but I brought you the champagne of beers. Is that acceptable for your celebratory moment? Janice appears to have frozen on my end, so I can't see what she's doing, just so you know.
What did you guys do to my date/business partner?
We've frozen time so that you can think this one through. She literally just told you she doesn't know how to do anything. Would you still like to celebrate? I'm going to open it.
Yeah, no, do it. That definitely sounds like the champagne of beers.
All right. Here you go, monsieur.
Thank you.
Look.
It's all over your lap now, sir. I will be right
Janice!
back with another.
You've returned.
Sorry, it was just so good. I had to sneak away with the drink it all by myself. It sounded like this.
Look.
Couldn't stop myself. But back to business.
Listen,
This just seems so soon, so sudden, so fast.
I think that you're the right person for this job. Also, as the job, I can no longer call this a date, right? So we have to stop dating.
Fine.
Oh, hello. I'm so sorry. I am here with your entrees. I have this first entree. Who had the screaming cat?
That was me. I ordered the screaming cat.
A
Thank
fine
you.
choice. Very delicious. Very
Yes.
delicious. And now we have our next plate.
Escargot!
It's the escargot. I assume that is for the lady. There you go. All right. Enjoy.
Would you like some pepper on the escargot?
Sure.
I'm gonna do that now. You tell me when.
Grindy.
All right, good job, you guys. grindy.
I got 4 sounds at
Yeah,
4 sounds at least.
that was great.